Hey fam, this is Linda Word. Just coming on showing you a few projects that my granddaughter had a big part in. So she cleaned these stools. These stools, actually, we purchased our home in 2007 and they've been here since then and I never used them. They were just kind of stuck in a corner. So we decided, hey, let's clean them up and paint them and let's use them as plant stands. So she's doing the cleaning, and that lasted for probably a whole 5 minutes, and then she was done. So I had to finish the rest of them. Now, this other idea I seen on YouTube. So as I'm cleaning my backyard, I have these water hoses that are they're no good. They have holes all in them. So I seen a video on how she made a mat out of the water hose. This is what we're doing here. So after I did the mat, I wanted my granddaughter to have a part in this. So she's going to paint it. And I just want her to do some projects so that when she's in the backyard, she can say, hey, I did this. So yeah, she's going to be painting it. Now on this is just a plant stand cover. I just took some wood together and nailed them with my nail gun. And then I took some string rope and just made some X's and glued them in with hot glue. So yeah, that's all this is. But I'll show you a picture when it's done. So this is my favorite piece. I always wanted to do some glitter art, and what 8-year-old don't want to play in glitter? So she had a good time doing this as well, and yeah, we're gonna put it in a picture frame and hang it outside as part of the patio. Tried to incorporate all the colors in the patio, which is mainly the blue. All right.